This easy guide addresses the need to preserve BBM chat history, catering to individuals with both Android and iOS devices who wish to ensure the longevity of their digital conversations. Part 1. How to back up and restore BBM chats on Android. To begin, open the BlackBerry Messenger on your smartphone. Next, tap on the menu Sign and choose the Settings option. This action will bring up the Settings menu. Now, locate the option Automatically Save Your Chat History and mark it. Part 2. How to back up and recover BBM chats on iOS. Tap your username's first letter circle. Go to BBM Settings General. Toggle Automatically Save Chat History to back up iPhone messages on iCloud. Enable for iCloud Backup to start backing up iPhone messages. Part 3. How to recover BBM chats without backup. Best practice. Suppose you find yourself in a situation where you have lost your BBM chats, contacts, and messages without having a comprehensive backup. In such a case, consider using a reliable and efficient tool, MobiConductor for Android. How can I recover the BBM chat history from my Android phone with MobiConductor for Android? Step 1. Get your smartphone recognized. Step 2. Scan deleted chat history. Step 3. Recover BBM chats on Android at once.